All right, so I'll be pasting few links in the chat section which will be related to your course. Okay, so first link is of syllabus link. You can check which all topics will be covered in your classes over here. And in case you have not enrolled yet, no need to worry. You can still complete your payment process and you can join the batch. We are always welcome to take up the feedback. For this, you just need to fill up this feedback form and you will get to know in detail about this particular batch. For that, you just need to click on this all batch detail link. In case you have any further queries, feel free to email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. Now, I would like to invite your mentor at the platform to just interact with you and to introduce himself because he'll be going to take your sessions. And his name is Mr. Tarique sir. He's a wonderful mentor. He has been carrying so many years of experience. So I'm sure you'll be going to have a very productive and very fruitful learning because his students are the shining stars. So whosoever take classes from him, they become the shining stars. So with this, over to you, Tariq sir, and then I'll be going to present the scheme with the presentation.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi, Prisha. Myself, Tariq Ahmed, and I've been in this profession for 25th year, right? So this is my 25th year. And normally I start taking classes from grade 8 and take it up to grade 12. I also take classes of graduation level, right? So few moment earlier, Vijay ma'am asked you which was your favorite subject in mathematics. So you said exponent and powers, right? Prisa, it would be better for me if your camera would be on, right? Because in the classroom also, and right now you are the only student here. So I would enjoy much explaining the things if you are visible to me. So that would help me more, right? Because I can understand by looking at you whether you are able to understand the thing or not. So as you said earlier that you have some technical issue, your camera is not being on. And you know the one of the important rule of the class is that camera should be on always. So is there any possibility of turning on your camera, Krisha? Yeah, you should join with other mobile if you have. I think if the camera of this one is not working, it would help me to explain the things. You can understand it better then. Since you are the only student right now, so it would be better that if you could turn on the camera. We are waiting for that, in fact, Krisha. It will help you. It would be better for you only.
Okay, so meanwhile, let me present my screen till the time Prisha is trying to fix the camera. That's great.
Yeah, no, great, Krisha.
Okay, so Tariq sir, I'll quickly present the screen and then you can continue with the demo. Okay, so I welcome you, Prisha, at the platform of Olympiad Success, wherein you know we are gathered over here for grade 8 mathematics demo. So we are India's largest preparation platform wherein we do offer different programs. So you can see on the screen we have one program which named School Plus program, which includes mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written mathematics and coding. So we do have our preparation classes. So for different boards and for different Olympiads. You can meet the rank holders on the screen. They're kids like you only. So you can also be the rank holder. For that, you just need to spare every 2 hours extra from your regular studies. Okay, so what all you'll be going to get in these live sessions, it will be group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom platform. It will be 3 days per week. Days will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Timing will be 8 p.m. till 9:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break. So you'll be going to get mix of theory, practice, question, doubt session, and discussion on previous year papers. So all material is available on the dashboard, which you are aware of it. So these are the relevant links. I'll paste it once again in the chat box for your reference. So syllabus link is there. Fees for this course is 12,264 rupees. It will be 55 session course. So what all you need, you just need a laptop or desktop good with good internet connection or good headphones for better audio clarity, that you should not miss anything what your mentor will be going to teach you. So regular classes are going to start from July 1st. That is coming week. In 2025, we had students from more than 5,000 schools across India as well as abroad. So with this, now I would like to hand over session to your mentor, Mr. Tarique sir. So you can have an interactive session. I'll keep you unmuted also. Over to you, sir.
So, do you want me to start with the same topic, or you have anything else in mind? Just tell me. Whatever topic you will choose, I will explain that because you are the only one right now here. So, do you want me to explain exponent and powers, questions of that one, or some other topic? Yes, Prisha, you are free to speak. In fact, unmute yourself and you can speak now. If there any problem, then you can write in the chat box. Okay, exponent and power is fine. Okay. So these rules you will be familiar. Two multiplied, suppose two times. So this we can write 2 raised to the power 2 times. So n is here. If we are multiplying 2 3 times, so this is 2 raised to the power 3. Now tell me, if 2 is multiplying n times, 2 is multiplying n times, then how can we write in this format, in the power format? Can you tell me that? You can also speak, unmute yourself, and you can give the answer. Okay, if we are multiplying 2 n times, so it would be written as 2 raised to the power n. Correct? If we are multiplying 2 m times, then yeah, then it is 2 raised to the power m. 2 raised to the power m. Correct. Okay, good. Now coming to the property. See, one of the property is a raised to the power m and multiplied by a raised to the power n. If the bases are same and multiplication sign is there, then we add the powers a raised to the power m plus n. Do you have idea about this?
Can you hear me?
Yes, now you are audible.
Yeah.
So when the bases are same, we can add the power, right? Okay. So here 2 raised to the power 5 into 2 raised to the power 2. So what would be the final result, Trisha?
2 raised to power 7.
5 plus 2, which is 2 raised to the power 7. Correct? Good. 3 raised to the power 3 by 2 and 3 raised to the power 1 by 2. So what would be the value? Finally,
3 raised to power 2.
3 raised to the power 2, which is equal to
9.
3 into 3, 9. Good. Very good. Okay. 4 raised to the power 1 by 3, 4 raised to the power 4 by 3, and 4 raised to the power 7 by 3. What would be the value?
4 to the power 4.
4 raised to the power 4, which is 256. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So this is the first property, right? A raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n, which is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Good. Now the second property is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. If divided sign is there and bases are same, we can subtract m minus n. Correct? I think you would be aware of this. Okay, based on this one, few examples. 5 raised to the power 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. So what would be the value, Risha?
5.
Correct. 5 raised to the power 4 minus 3, 5 raised to the power 1, which is 5. Good. Now, 1 by 7 raised to the power 7 divided by 1 by 7 raised to the power 5.
1 upon 7 raised to power 2.
And this would be equal to 1 by 7 multiplied by 1 by 7, which is 1 by 49. Correct, Prisha?
Yes.
Okay. So this was the second property, right? Third property is a raised to the power m to the whole n. Right? In this case, powers are multiplied. So a raised to the power m into n. We need to multiply the powers. Okay. 5 raised to the power 2 to the whole 1 by 4. So what would be the value?
5 raised to power 1 upon 2.
1 over 2. And 1 over 2, this we can write root 5. Do you know this?
Yes.
When the power is 1 by 2, we write that in a square root. Okay. 7 raised to the power 3 and 7 raised to the power 1 by 3 to the whole 9. What would be the value?
49.
7 square, which will be 49. Correct? Okay. Now next thing. Do you know what is the value of a naught? A raised to the power 0?
1.
Correct. A raised to the power 0 is 1. So, what would be the value? 1 by 7 raised to the power 0?
1.
1. Then 5 by 3 raised to the power 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 3 raised to the power 2 by 3.
0.
So, we have to use the property 5 by 3, 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, 5 by 3 raised to the power 0, and this is equal to, Prisha,
1.
1. If the power is 1, right? Okay, in the meanwhile, someone else, Manaya, joined. Manaya, can you turn on the camera? Okay. Prisha, tell me this one. What is the value of this one?
0.
So you are learning this one. The most important question asked in Olympiad paper, right? So 0 to the power 0, this is undefined. Undefined. Copy this one. A question related to this is always asked in the Olympiad paper. So it is neither 0 nor 1. It is always undefined. 0 raised to the power 0 is undefined. Okay. Let's solve some good questions based on these properties. One by 2 raised to the power 5 minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 4, 3 by 5 raised to the power minus 1. Prisha, can you try this one?
Yes.
Manaya and Swarit, please turn on the camera. That will help you, in fact. You both are in grade 8, Manaya and Swarit. And from which city you are taking this demo class?
No, sir, I am from 7th.
You are in grade?
7th.
You are in grade 7. Okay. And from which city you are, Swarit?
What, sir?
From which city you are taking the demo class?
Sir, Delhi.
Okay, you are in Delhi. Good. Manaya,
Yes, sir, I'm from 8th grade.
you okay? I think there's some network issue at your end, right? I'm not getting your voice clearly, Vita. You can write in the chat box. Now, Prisha, tell me this: a raised to the power minus n, correct? This can be written as 1 by a raised to the power n. Okay, Manaya, good. You are in grade 8, and from which city you are taking this demo class? If the Jaipur, okay. If the power is negative and we want to convert it to the positive sign, then we have to write its reciprocal. If it is in the denominator, bring it to it is in numerator, bring it to denominator. The power will be positive. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you all getting my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible to everyone? Prisha, Swarit.
Yes, sir.
What about my video, beta?
Sir, it's clear.
It's clear. Okay. So to solve this question, see here 1 by 2 need to multiply 5 times. So it will be 1 by 32. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And this is equal to 1 by 32. Here, multiplying this 4 times, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. This is plus, minus, minus, plus. So 16 by 81. Its value is 16 by 81. Now here the power is negative. So we can write its reciprocal, which is 5 by 3. Now 16 can cancel this 2 times. So this is 5 over 4, 243, 486. This is the final answer. Okay, similar to this one, 2 by 3 square, 2 by 5 raised to the power minus 3, and 3 by 5 square. Solve this one. Anyone getting?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer.
Yes.
5 upon 2.
32 upon 3125. 32 upon. This is by Manaya. And
Sir.
Prisha, what are you answering?
5 upon 2.
5 upon 2. Prisha is saying. And then, Swarit, you want to answer?
Yes, sir. Sir, 25 upon
Tell me.
4.
25 upon
4.
4. Okay. Now, this can be written as 2 by 3 square, which is 4 by 9. Here, power is negative. We can write its reciprocal 5 by 2 to the power 3. Here, positive. We can write 9 by 25. 4 by 9. Its value 125 by 8 and 9 by 25. 9 cancel 9. 4 2 ja, 25 5 ja. So this is finally 5 by 2. Prisa is correct. Prisa's answer is correct. Okay. Let me take the next one. Sixty-four raised to the power 1 by 3 plus 125 raised to the power minus 1 by 3 minus 27 raised to the power minus 2 by 3. Can you get its value? Here it is negative in fact. Here it is plus. Just try, then I will explain. Yes. Anyone getting?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer.
180
Prisha, what are you?
184 upon 45.
Okay, let me check. This you can write 4 to the power 3. 4, 4, 4. This is 64. You can also write 2 raised to the power 6. This is also 64. Now here, 5 raised to the power 3. There's 3 raised to the power 3. This 3 cancels this, 3 cancels this 3 cancels this. Here you will get 4. 5 raised to the power minus 1, which is 1 by 5. 3, which is 1 by 3 square, which is 9. Taking the LCM, 45. 45 4 ja 180. 5 9 ja 9 5 ja. Correct. Very good. You are getting it. Again, this is correct answer. Bye, Prisha. Good. Okay. Now, another type of question. If 7 raised to the power x minus 1 equals to 49, find x. Can you do it? Are you getting Prisha or shall I explain? See,
Sir, the answer is 3.
3. Okay, good. Here 49 can be written as 7 square. Now here the bases are same and equal to sign is there. So we can equate the power. So x minus 1 will be 2. So x is in fact equal to 3. This is the answer, Prisha. Okay, now if 35 to the power x minus 2 equals to uh, just a second. Okay, I'm back. Prisha, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good. This is the next question I have written here. Find x. Similar to the last one. Yes.
Sir, the answer is 4.
Answer is
4.
answer is
Sir, 4.
4. Good. See, in fact, we can write this one 35x minus 2, which is 35 whole square. So equating x minus 2 equals to 2, so x is 4. Another way of doing this one. This we can write 7 into 5 raised to power x minus 2. We can take the LCM of 1225. It will be, right, 7 1 just 7 and 5. 7 7 ja and 7 5 ja. 7 2 ja 14, 5 ja 5 5. So here we can write 7 square into 5 square. This can be written as 7 raised to power x minus 2, 5 raised to power x minus 2. 7 square, 5 square. Now we can equate either with 7 or with 5. So equating with 7, x minus 2 equals to 2. Again, we will get x equals to 4. Okay. Now do this one. 2 raised to the power 3x minus 1 plus 10 divided by 7 equals to 6. Then x is equal to what? Prisa, at least you turn on the camera. 2. Okay, Manya saying 2. Now see, 2, 3x minus 1 plus 10 over 7. This is equal to 6. Cross multiplication equals to 42. 3x minus 1 equals to 32. 3x minus 1, 2 raised to the power 5. So 3x minus 1 equals to 5. 3x equals to 6. So x is equal to 2. Good. Manya answer was correct. Minus 1 by 2 raised to this raise minus 2, this raise minus 1 by 4. It's a simple one. Multiply the power.
Sir, 4.
Multiply the power. So it will be minus 1 by 2. It is 4 by 4. So minus 1 by 2 the power 1, which is minus 1 by 2. See, a raised to the power m to the power n to the power p. In this case also, powers are multiplied. That's it. So, do you have any specific doubt right now in mind to ask any one of you? Anything specific you want to ask? No? Risha, Swarit, Manaya. Okay, so see, it is in fact the demo class, right? So here you have to see how I explain and whether you are able to understand the things explained by me, right? These things you have to notice in today's class. And in fact, I did not explain much, but one very important question I taught you today. Risha, can you tell me what?
Uh, 0 to
What
the
was
power
that?
0 to the power 0 is undefined.
Correct, correct. Because that is the most important question always asked in Olympiad paper based on that property. And that I explained today. And if you learn that, it means one question of Olympiad is done by you, even today in this class. We have to learn many things, right? And many things, uh, in fact, many difficult things are there, right? Which we will learn during the class. So I think it's enough for today. I just introduced you some properties and one important question I showed it to you. Hope you learn that. It will always be helpful to you in this year and the next year as well. Now you can contact the team regarding the demo class, and then we can start the class when the time is there. Anything in mind to ask? Risha, Swarit, Manaya? No? Okay, so enough for today. See you all guys again. Bye. Take care.